Did you know that Pharmaton Multivitamins Essential is one of the best multivitamins in 2021? Why? Because it contains vitamin B complex and high dose of vitamin C to boost your immune system. Hello everybody, my name is Anthony, and in this video, the main highlight is etong multivitamins bar by Pharmaton Essentials. So this is the box and this is the capsule. So kapag babaliktarin mo, tanan! It's like that. So as you can see, this box contains 1,100 capsules. Ayan. And the price for each capsule is worth 24.75 pesos, but it depends on the pharmacy that you're going to buy, kasi iba-iba yung price ng mga pharmacy, drugstore, botika. So 24.75 yung price po nito per capsule, 24.75, and isa siya sa mga pinaka malakas and potent na multivitamins because yes, it is indeed enriched with vitamin B complex and vitamin C. Tapos this is really important because ngayon pandemic, we need to boost our energy, tapos we need to boost our immune system inside and outside because prevention is better than cure. And mas mahal magkasakit. That's why it's important na mag-vitamin booster kayo so that we will be free from any incurable diseases, mga communicable diseases, or mga dangerous diseases such as COVID-19. That's why, ayan, multivitamins Pharmaton Essential. So, in this video, we are going to flip it. I-flip natin itong camera for us to have a closer look kung ano nga ba yung ingredients ng multivitamins na ito. So, we are going to read it one by one. I will show you. Ito, ayan. So, para mabasa natin yung mga laman niya one by one para maintindihan natin kung ano nga ba yung laman nito. So, let's now flip up this camera. So, here we are. Ito yung multivitamins Pharmaton Essential Capsule. Tapos, with vitamin B complex. Ayan. So, it helps to realize your daily energy. And it is really in a 100 box na. 100 capsule box. Meron din yung mga sulit pack. And nabili ko to because mas maganda kapag bulto. Ayan. And do not accept if seal is broken. So, we have here, ayan, sorry, medyo nag-shake yung camera. And we have here yung, ayan, yung capsule mismo. So, ganito yung itsura niya kapag bibili kayo ng Pharmaton Multivitamins Essential. So, very reddish yung parang blister pack niya. And then, sa likod is Multivitamins Pharmaton Essential by Sanofi. And makikita nyo dito yung expiration date niya, which will be on April 2022 next year. So, ayan yung expiration date niya. And now, we're going to focus on the contents of this product. So, titignan natin dyan. Ayan. So, each capsule contains, ito yung gusto ko dito, malakas yung vitamin C niya, ascorbic acid nga lang. So, you should take this product after eating in sa breakfast, pwede sa lunch or dinner. Pero, ayan, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, 400 mg, niacin, vitamin B3, ayan, pyridoxine hydrochloride, vitamin B6, 15 mg, tapos thiamine, vitamin B1. So, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 mg. Pati itong vitamin, meron din pala siyang vitamin E, 10 mg. Tama ba? Yes, 10 mg. Riboflavin, vitamin B12. Ayan, so 5 mg. Vitamin A. So, vitamin A has 4,000 IU. Ayan, no? Mataas. So, Retinol acetate, vitamin A. Folic acid, meron din siya. Folic acid, wow, 500 mcg. Mataas ang folic acid pala niya. Cyanocobalamin, vitamin B12. Tapos cholecalciferol. Meron din pala siyang vitamin D, 400 IU. So, wow, siksik siya sa mga nutrients. Kaya talagang beneficial ito sa inyong health. And hindi siya ordinary lang na multivitamins kasi nga, 'di ba, Pharmaton Essential branded siya. So, yeah, I'm impressed by the contents kasi meron siyang vitamin B complex, vitamin E, vitamin D. Oh, 'di ba? Saan ka pa? Vitamin C pa. Kaya from vitamins A to E. So, yun yung laman ng product na ito. Kaya as in, hindi ka magsisisi kapag bibili ka nito. In this part of the vlog, we are now going to open ang isang blister pack. So, ayan. And, i-investigate natin yung itsura ng capsule, multivitamins capsule. So, you can press it just like that para lalabas yung capsule. So, it's parang dark red siya. Tama ba? Dark. Oh, it's purple. Sorry. Purple siya. Hindi ko siya masyadong inopen. I mean, hindi ko siya masyadong sinilip kanina upon opening. So, it's like that. Color purple. So, this is the legit Pharmaton ng multivitamins. And regular siya. So, regular size. And kapag mahilig ka sa regular size, eto na siya. And I'm guessing na hindi ka mahihirapan lumunok dito. And now, let's smell it. Wala siyang amoy. Pero parang may naamoy ako na citrusy ba yun? Ay, oo. May amoy siya na B complex. Alam niyo yun, may distinct smell kasi ang vitamin B complex. Ayun, yeah. Vitamin B complex, tapos citrusy. Ayun, naghalo na siya. So, ngayon, we will now test yung lasa niya. So, iti-taste test natin siya kung ano nga ba ang lasa niya. So, with the help of my baso. So, ayan. And, kapag umiinom kayo nito, dapat mag-drink din kayo ng at least 12 to 14 glasses of water daily. Ayan, ang sarap. So, ang lasa niya is no taste at all. Wala po siyang lasa. So, hindi kayo ma-distract sa mga iniinom yung multivitamins such as itong Pharmaton multivitamins. Ang kaso lang dito is that hindi siya pwede sa mga bata. So, it is not recommended for adults. Ayan. I mean, children, lactating mothers, and, ayan, sa mga nagbe-breastfeed. So, ayan, kung babasahin natin dito, ayan, how much should you often take this medication? 1 capsule daily or as ordered by physician. So the capsule should be swallowed, and do not give this medicine children under 12 years old. So yes, hindi siya talaga pwede sa mga below 12, pero kapag 12 to ayan pataas na, pwede. So if there is an allergic reaction sa medication na ito, pwedeng hindi siya tawag dito recommended kasi baka you have an allergy to certain vitamins. So, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, ayan, so care that should be taken when taking this medicine to make sure it is the right treatment for you. Before you start taking multivitamins, it is important that you speak to a doctor or pharmacy. Kaya tanungin niyo muna yung mga pharmacist sa drugstore or doctor if you are pregnant or breastfeeding kasi nga baka may complicated pregnancy ka or may issues ka sa mga breastfeed. So this is because you are advised not to take any medicines while you are expecting or feeding a baby unless they have been recommended by a doctor or a pharmacist. Ayan. Tapos, kapag nagtitake ka ng other medication, kasi meron yung ibang medication na baka contraindicated sa pagtitake mo ng multivitamins. So, ayun. And, i-advise ka naman ng doctor mo if you are either allowed or not allowed to take vitamins, multivitamins. So, one example is, yung iba may allergy, meron silang issue sa niacin. Kasi kapag excess ka ng niacin, pwede kang magkaroon ng yung niacin flush or nausea. So, ayun. And yun lang naman, pero minor side effect siya. What other medicine or food should be avoided? So, wala namang contraindicated na foods kapag nagtitake ka ng multivitamins. So, yun po ang pwede nating i-consider if you're taking vitamins. So, ayan guys, safe po siya. However, pag allergic ka lang sa mga certain vitamins, hindi ka talaga pwede. Depending sa mga sinasabi ng doctors mo. And, ladies and gentlemen, kung gusto nyo pa ng more vlogs like this, more product reviews, ayan, product reviews such as itong multivitamins by Pharmaton Essentials. Don't forget to subscribe my two YouTube channels. So I have there the Story of Anthony and the Story of Anthony Vlogs. And if you have any comments or suggestions, reactions, feedbacks, mag-comment down below lang kayo and reach me out in my Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter, The Story of Anthony. So hanggang dito na lamang po ang ating vlog. And I hope you should watch also my upcoming videos para maliwanagan kayo regarding sa mga gusto nyong bilhin na food supplements or multivitamins such as Pharmaton Essential. Kaya hanggang dito na lamang po. Thank you guys for watching and always stay safe. Mwah!